Meaning of fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is an active firefighting device used to control or extinguish small fires. It typically consists of a metal canister filled with water, foam, powder, or other firefighting substances, and is designed to be easily portable and operated by a single person. When a fire occurs, the user can quickly access and activate the extinguisher to discharge its contents onto the flames, depriving them of oxygen or other necessary elements and ultimately putting out the fire. Proper use of fire extinguishers can save lives and prevent property damage in emergency situations.